Tonight, Eli Lilly, the drug maker working on a COVID antibody treatment for those already infected with the virus, confirmed they are pausing a clinical trial out of an abundance of caution after new potential safety concerns. Ken Byers took part in one of Eli Lilly's trials this summer.
I'm just looking at this as a setback.
With Eli Lilly citing few details, the move comes just hours after Johnson & Johnson announced it's also pausing their Stage 3 vaccine trial because a participant suffered an unexplained illness. Johnson & Johnson joining AstraZeneca, becoming the second vaccine candidate to hit a hurdle out of the 4 in final stretch of development.
We're just letting the science dictate here. What it should do also is reassure the public that every scientific, medical, and ethical standard is being applied here.
The vaccine trial setbacks, which are not uncommon, come as a wave of new COVID cases spread across the nation. 24 states are now seeing at least a 25% rise in cases. Some doctors say this is no surge, but instead a tidal wave of new infections.
Seeing some of these people just not progress, seeing multiple deaths, multiple days in a row, it's really hard.
With more than a dozen states also reporting a record number of hospitalizations, new cases and now fatalities are also resurfacing at nursing homes. In Rhode Island, officials are identifying a new cluster of COVID infections connected to carpooling.
In some of the hardest hit regions like LA County, hospitals have open ICU beds. The question, how long will it last?
Despite the new surge in infections and now setbacks for COVID treatments and a vaccine, Byers says there's still reason for hope.
It would make me ecstatic to know that I was part of something that became a treatment.
Tonight, the enduring battle against a global pandemic as it continues to wage war here at home. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News.
Let's bring in our medical correspondent, Dr. John Torres. John, we now have 2 vaccine trials and a promising treatment trial all on hold. Should people be concerned?
Lester, pausing or putting a clinical trial on hold is actually quite common, but usually these pauses happen behind the scenes. Now, though, with the urgency of the pandemic, there's much more public attention on every single step of the process. These pauses are a good indicator that companies are looking seriously at not just the effectiveness, but also the safety of these medicines. Now, researchers will investigate what caused the adverse reaction and determine if and when it's safe to resume the trials.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.